Oh my god.
Idiot.
I got it on tape.
You're so cute. Oh, dumb shit. Cover mommy. No, I'm not coming for you. Just bring my hand here. I'm not coming for you. Oh, you're so sweet.
It's stuck again. The little
You know,
dumbass.
another week, those little guys will just walk around. They'll be staggering around.
Are they gonna get out of the box?
Very, I know it's not very kitten friendly in here actually.
No.
But no, it's gonna be a big job to make it kitty friendly.
I'm surprised he hasn't like eaten them all yet.
This is the funniest thing ever.
Oh god.
You can put them in a bigger box. So they have a harder time getting out.
Oh, you're so cute. I just want to eat you. Shut up. His pants are really big.
Oh my god.